Hey, this is ReOrder and this is my new track on A State of Trance.
Till the morning, we do it our way, and we'll be okay. We will break the chains and know we love it. We take the left side of the high road, that's how we do it. No rules for us, we'll prove them wrong. We do it. We will do it the way we like. We're not afraid, yeah, we go the way.
twitch.tv/ASOT or YouTube for non-stop the best in trance and progressive. This is A State of Trance.